Welcome to our channel. Today we how to connect Box to LinkedIn for secure attachments for recruiters, full guide step by step clearly. To connect Box to LinkedIn for secure attachments for recruiters, begin by logging into your LinkedIn account. Once logged in, navigate to your profile page. In the profile section, locate the Add Profile section button. Click on this button to expand the options available. Next, find the section labeled Recommended and select Add Featured. In the Featured section, look for the option to add links. Choose the option to add a link to your Box account. You'll need to open a new tab and log into your Box account. Once in Box, locate the document or file you wish to share with recruiters. Copy the shared link for that document by selecting the Share button. In the sharing settings, make sure the link is set to anyone with the link for easier access. After copying the link, return to your LinkedIn tab. Paste the Box link into the appropriate field in the Featured section. Add a title and description to give context to the document you are sharing. Click Add to include the link in your Featured section. Make sure to save the changes to your profile. To ensure security, review the permissions on the Box file regularly. Now, recruiters can access your attached documents directly from your LinkedIn profile securely. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.